So if you've never used whiteboard in an assignment before, this is how it works. We're in our student accounts. We're going to go into assignments and we're going to click on the special project. And there's the link to our special projects whiteboard, so we can click on that. And it's going to ask us to sign in. We're just going to use our Focus Learning account. And there's our special projects whiteboard. So I can use my mouse to scroll in and out, and we have our instructions up here. What would you like to create with your team during special project time? So we can add our ideas to one of the blank post-its that are up here. And if we run out of post-its, so you can use as many as you want, if you run out, you're just going to click on where it says Create, you're going to click on Notes, you're going to click on the color you want, and you're just going to drop it into a space on the board. If you need to move it around, click back on that little arrow. There we go. And we can go ahead and type in it.